Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Irshad. Yeah,
Yes.
Irshad. Okay. Now we will open just a little review, maybe in 7 or 8 minutes. Okay. Could you please introduce yourself, your age, your family, or yeah, more about yourself?
Okay, so introduce myself. My name is Irsyad Rafsi Setiawan. You can call me Irsyad or Richard. I'm right now 14 years old, but this month I will turn into 15,
15. Okay.
and I'm live in Bekasi.
Kasi.
And I'm the second child from my family, and I'm the one that curious about technology in my family. So I have some hobby. If non-academic, I like to play basketball and football. And for something that digital is, I like to designing and do something to solve some problem in the world, like innovating something.
Okay, so uh, I want to know, talking about IT in IDN, uh, what IT skills did you have before or after studying in IDN? Wait.
Okay, so uh, from the IDN, I will continue in here as the vocational student, and I will choose the network engineer majority because I like to solve something that in network thing it's not to focusing on programming or coding that I've tried the programming thing and I feel like I'm lazy to solve it. So if have a error or something, I will stress out because of that and and if designing, I think of myself is not creative as other, so it will hard to compete with the others.
Okay, so how did you manage your stress?
For it, I will do something that I like lah. For now,
Eating chocolate?
no. For now, I like more to designing sih for.
Design.
So when I stress out about coding or something, I will see what other people do in design and I will try to make the same thing but like different little bit and feel like and upgrade it and modify it like that.
Oh,
So
okay.
it can manage my stress out and make and I can out something in my, so I can refresh my mind again to the design and put it on my design.
Yeah, so it's mean you already know about yourself, yeah.
Yes.
So I weak in this and myself. Oh yeah, talking about weakness and strength. Do you know what your strength and weakness?
My strength is I can do something alone, but when I'm do something together, I
In team.
yeah in team or a group, I'm how to say hilang arah.
Like confused, yeah.
Yes, confused
So
of
it's mean
myself.
you are introvert always.
Yes, if you are,
Ah.
yeah, if I'm introvert from the elementary, so
Oh yeah.
from the elementary, when have a homework with my friend together, I'm better do it when I'm alone
Yeah.
or ask him to I'm do it like something half of it and half them all,
Yeah.
and it's better for me.
Yeah, good.
So it can I'm is realistic person, so when the other mind is different with me,
Mm-hmm.
I'm more not like it lah.
Yeah,
So
not
more decline.
comfort. Yeah.
Yes, not comfort.
Yeah. I do it also. So
Yes.
because I introvert also, and yeah, I love to do something alone.
Alone.
But sometimes we have to make a project with a team. Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, same. What we feel more comfort when people or when our groups give a job to us and we
Yes.
can do it alone. So let me complete. Okay. So, which IT projects are you most proud?
I think for now, this the most proud of my project is, I think this Flutter.
Flutter.
Yes, Flutter.
Flutter
The
like
Bitakwa.
Flutter Beta. So
Yes.
it's mostly application projects.
Yes.
Okay. Your Flutter done? Finished?
Not done yet. And if it finish, I will remakeable and modify it, not like the general people do here. So I will change the design, change the function, and others after it done.
Hmm.
It perfect. So
So, what is your dream actually?
my dream is be an if in IT,
Hmm.
I want to be a DevOps. So that's or a project manager. So I'm not do something and I'm just manage what people do and ask him to do something for the corporate or the office. So and I can decide it by myself, not
Hmm.
teamwork like that. Because
Yeah.
that
Again. Okay. So, um, did you believe to yourself that you can reach your dream in the future?
of course,
Yeah.
of course.
So, how do you think your IT skill will help you to to reach your dream in the future? Will help you in the future.
For it, I think my IT skill will uh, help me to chase my dream,
Yeah.
but I prefer to my analytic skill for that. Like that.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you have a teaching experience or internship experience?
For teaching, I'm only five. Total is 6 or 7 school that I teach,
Wow.
and the last one is teach 4 school directly.
From 7 to 9.
Yes, but and it from the last teaching, I'm directly in one session teaching 4 school.
For school.
Yes,
Okay.
it's in Depok and Bekasi, and it's give me a new experience because I teach the elementary student.
Elementary. Okay.
Yes, and it's give me that experience that how hard is be a teacher for the elementary one.
Yes.
Hard
For
to manage.
SMJ also same.
Yes, SMB
Okay,
same.
so what's it? How did you feel when you become a trainer or teacher?
Uh,
How did you
how
feel?
I
Is it
feel
maybe difficult or what is difficult and
for me when I'm be a trainer, I enjoy it with my students. So
hmm
I'm not focusing on what we will do or what the final thing that we can make in that day.
yeah the
I just
result
focus that uh, the student get what I give to them.
hmm okay
Like that.
yeah that's good so you don't think about the
Result,
result yeah
yes,
you just do what you have to do
yes.
okay so um what did you learn from that experience is it teaching is not easy I guess
Yes.
or
My experience is what I learned. I think it's about managing the students.
managing the
Yes.
students okay how can you
Uh,
manage the class
uh, from at the first school, I think I'm not managed as well,
okay
but in the second until the fourth school, I can manage it well because it's not elementary, it's
mm.
junior high school,
Junior
so
school
I can enjoy and put myself into them. So we can give our sharing our experience like and do something that we like. So because I know what they like and know their passion, so it's easy to me to how to say berbaur with them.
with them yes
Yes.
okay okay so maybe the last question. So, oh yeah, did you get any achievement or yeah from the competition or not?
Oh, for this 9 graded, I'm not yet get I'm get the third championship.
Third place.
One place all,
Uh,
and it's repeat 3 times.
oh, okay.
At the non-academic things, basketball. In
Oh,
basketball,
basketball.
yes,
Nice.
I get the first champion, and it's 3 times get the first champion. And last is last 2 weeks ago, and it the last uh my champion for from 7th grade. I think I just get an gold gold medal of Olympic English on Olympic, but at the 8th grade I'm focusing on the robotic competition.
Robotic competition. Okay.
Uh, yes.
That's all.
That I get in 8th grade, I think just fourth place and second place at the robotic competition.
Robotic competition. Okay. So, in your life, who inspires you?
At the first, of course, my parents
Parents, of course.
and uh, the and Prophet Muhammad, of course. And I think most of the people that have achievement more than me. So it will depend. So if I know someone that achievement more than me, it's inspire me to do something.
To do the same.
Yeah, to do the
The same
same
or more.
or
Okay.
more than him.
Okay. So, that's good interview. So, do you have a message or motivation for the next generation? For
For
your
it,
friends.
for the next generation is, I think better that you understand something that you better you understand something, then you make something that you not understand, and it's good as the minimum
Skill.
skill. Better you make it by yourself, and it's your own skill and you understand it, then you not understand it, but it's complete. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe
Okay,
that's all.
good. Good advice. I will keep it. Okay, thank you for today's interview. Ishan, I hope you will be you will be success and reach your dream, and also can make your parents proud.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke. Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. So, today I will presentation about that country that I like it much. It's Japan. So, before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Irsyad Rafi Setiawan, and I'm from 9th grade in Aiden Boarding School. So, continue. So, overview of Japan. Japan is an archipelagic state situated in East Asia, located in the Pacific Ocean. The archipelago comprises over 6,800 islands, with the foremost prominent being Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. The country is renowned for its stunning scenery, including the iconic Mount of Fuji that in Japan, the cherry blossom trees that make us relax from at the summer, and the capital of the capital Tokyo is one of the largest, most vibrant cities in the world. Japan has approximately 125 million people population, that making the 11th most populous country in the world. Okay, so you guys, I think all of you guys will know what is Japan, and Japan is one of the what country that uh, famous around us, because this country is make many things in the article, like the art style of they like manga, anime, or the culture that slow living and that dream by the every people that I know. Okay, continue of the history of Japanese. So Japan has a long distinguished history, spanning millennia during the feudal era. The country was governed by emperor and class of powerful samurai warriors. So in Japan, uh, Japan is using old days ago. Japan is using the feudal era in feudal era that governed by emperor and use uh, they the power of people is same samurai that Meiji restoration of 1868 it's changed to transition to the modern state despite facing considerable adversity during the Second World War. So when the Second World War, Japan is losing and they transition to the modern era, and after that we know that Japan is right now that we know the artial, the culture, and the others that we know. Okay, the Japanese of the economy of Japan. So Japan is of the world largest economy and is renowned for its advanced technology that famous around us and manufacturing capabilities. So the economy of Japan is one of the most economy in the world that capable and stable for now because of the technology and of the famous that many foreigners go to the country for to the country for try the culture in there and how it's living. And after that, the country is world leader in automotive and manufacturing electronic, robotic, and high-speed rail. That you know in Japan has a train that high-speed rail named Shinkansen. It's one of the train that fast in the world and make the general transportation for consume for they people that in the country easy to work. So many of the people local that doesn't have a motorcycle or car like that. It depends on the money, so it's make the money more safe until now. And it's one of the best transform in the world that I know because it's just take like 20 minutes for far away far away suffer like that. And the agriculture also play in the important role of Japanese economy and rice is staple food. So in Japan, like in Indonesia right now, Japanese is use rice as the staple food. So the agriculture also plays on the important role in Japanese economy. So they culture that things and the technology it combined and it become perfect economy for the economy in the country. Okay, so continue. Tourism in Japan. Japan is a popular tourist destination, attracting a million of visitors each year. The country historic temple and shrines in Kyoto, the bustling street of Tokyo, and traditional hot spring. And they have a famous thing in the Kyoto. It's the hot spring, or we can say onsen in there, are among the attraction for the attract tourists to go there from all over the world. The cherry blossom season in the spring season that vibrant the autumn foliage are particularly noteworthy natural phenomena. So for the tourists, they want to try the onsen in Japan that very famous and make them relax. And the cherry blossom season in the spring and vibrant autumn that make that a good spot photo and good place that for them relaxing and help they help, travel. And many temple and shrine in Kyoto, and one of the famous thing in the supermarket that few is automatic go to Fuji, and it's good for a tourist to go there. And the fun fact is Japanese is one of the many Indonesian worker that go there for work because they need a worker that can do their job. Okay, the nature in Japan. Japan boasts a diverse range of ecosystem, encompassing alpine forest and coastal region. The country is home to a plethora of unique wildlife, including the Japanese macaque, or we can say snow monkey, that many the mystic things of them, and the red-clouded crane and the Japanese giant salamander. Japan rich marine life includes dolphin, whales, and vast array of fish species, making it an ideal destination for diving and snorkeling enthusiasts. So, for Japan, that I know the nature is many tourists that go to the forest and the sea because their beach is clean first and rich of marine life like dolphin and others that make it an ideal destination for snorkeling and diving. So there is the red-crowned crane too, and the Japanese giant salamander that make it more enthusiastic for the tourists to go there. Japanese festival and tradition. So Japan is renowned for its vibrant festival Matsuri that year in the first and last year season tradition of historical event that beyond Matsuri in Kyoto, the Awa Odori Dance Festival in Tokushima, and the Rio Tanabata Star Festival are illustrated. Example, additionally, traditional tea ceremonies, sumo wrestling, and kabuki theater are significant cultural tradition. So, in Japan, many festival and tradition that make the tourists like to go there because that they see in the anime, manga, or something from Japanese RTL that it's good and the vibes is different for a romantic thing, and many accident that good and doing well in there. Continue to Japanese culture that Japanese culture is place great emphasis and respect harmony, discipline, traditional art such as calligraphy, ikebana, and origami are will the practice. Japanese cuisine is renowned for its freshness and presentation, with dishes such as sushi, ramen, tempura, and sashimi. The Japanese diet is considered one of the healthiest in the world. So the food of the culture and cuisine of Japan is the one of the healthiest food in the world that make them make them good in the world and make it the healthiest. Okay, continue. The curiosities about Japan. Japan has the longest standing monarchy in the world, white lineage empire that dates back over 2 millennia. Vending machines are ubiquitous feature of Japanese society. offering a diverse range of products including beverage and hot meal. The Japanese concept of omotenashi in, encapsulates a profound sense of hospitality and concern for the others. Japan is one of the safest country in the world with relatively low crime rate. So, in Japan is one of the safe place in the world with their ethics and good local people. They welcome us to go there and not bothering us like that. That is sport in Japan. So sumo wrestling in the nation is the national sport of Japan, with the history that can be traced back centuries. Baseball is sport that enjoy immense popularity and it in the senior high school and with the professional league and they attract large of crowd in Japan. Japan also has reputation for excellent in martial arts such as judo, karate, and kendo. The country is also home to major sporting organization. Okay, maybe that's all about I want introduce the country. I think the conclusion is Japan is the best country that I know in the world. So I will more like to go Japan if I have a purpose to go there. Okay, maybe that's all. Like I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ershad, and so today I will present my project portfolio from the 7th grade until 9th graders. But I think it's not all the project. It's just one of the best project that I ever done when 7th grader until now. Okay. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Irsyad Rafsiawan. I'm a 9th grader at Aiden Boarding School. And today I'm 14 years old right now, and in the 25th November I will turn into the 15 years old. And I'm live in Bekasi, and my hometown is Sumatera Barat. And after that, I have a passion in technology things like design, code, and the others. After that, I like to exploring something that many people in tech industries like coding, design, and others. Okay, so before I continue, I will give you first some of explanation what I will and what my experience before. So I have an experience in teaching and training some students in outside of my school. It's an obligated from the school to me to do that. And I'm right now in SMP Aidenburg School Jonggol, especially. So before I go to the best project, I will give you guys and here we will go to the second thing in here. It's my teaching in one of the best project that I ever do is teaching experience here. Wait, it's a lot teaching experience here. So when I'm class 3 weeks ago, I'm doing teaching experience in for school that for school it's in SMP Prestasi Global, SD Prestasi Global, SMP Tafaus, and SD Nandindra. So in this for school, I get many experience that I'm do there. And here I'm teaching about logic of programming and the design thing like Figma and Canva. So So for teaching this for school, I need 2 weeks for the time that I need to do this event. And many experience that I get from here, like how you can attract the student while they attract to their device, and how they can understood what you say and what you teach to them. And many of it that I learned from this event program. So if you can see here, there is the documentation that I'm do the teaching program. This in SD Narindra. Here one is in SMP Fawas. It's in SD Pres Global, and this one in SMP Pres Global. And we will continue that. My second things that I ever do, and I think it's the best one, is doing a competition in Bogor. So here last year I get the second place for a botany robotic competition in Bogor. So it's online followers competition that I'm do with Abiasa Baslo Wismaya, Farhan Fizudin, and Abdurrahman Al-Ghifari. And here I'm get the second place, alhamdulillah, itu second place for this competition, and my friend Abiasa get the first place of the competition. And this one of my first champion in that year, and this that I do in the A graders. So I think okay. So in this event, I'm do it in 3 until 5 days in Bogor for practice and others. And it have a hard track that we must solve it to do until the finish line. So this documentation that we get here, and after that I have some of teaching experience in this one of the best teaching that I'm do. It's in Sekolah Indonesia Syariat. It's I teach from the identity teaching program to the outside of the country. It's I'm teaching with 6 junior high school teammates. There's Fabian Nux, Salman, Aufa, and Foda Amar, and Haikal Zaki. And here I'm teaching the junior high school student and the high school student. And here we teaching about programming and designing. So in this time I'm do the Umrah prayer too. So it's a memorable thing that in my life, and it's the first time that I'm do the Umrah prayer. And from here too, I can know that we can teaching to the outside of the country. It's not must be must be a big person or famous person that can outside the country to teaching the others, but it can be just a student that still learning. And after that, I think it's in the A grader. So welcome to my portfolio. Pause. Okay, so here I have my portfolio website that I'm make it in this year. So it used with Fremar website. It's one of my best project that I ever do. And this I have the future project here that the first project that I do in the last 8 graders is yearbook of 12th generation in Future Gate School. So I get a late purpose to do design the yearbook and with my friend Abiasa, and I get money from here. And this one of the best design that I can say it, because the other design that I'm do is not good as this one. And in here too I learning and experience that project is can be a teammate, and it's make it easily and faster to do it. So in this project I'm do it with a total 4 people. It's from the other class 2 people, and from here I have Abiasa and me. So here, so this book is already released to the generation and make the website. And after that, from here to that I know we can get easy project from the what the connection that we have. It not much we search in online. So I think that's all about the portfolio project. And okay, so thank you very much guys for listening me for this portfolio presentation. Sorry if some mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.